Hello guys, good day and welcome to another brand new tutorial video on the light bag collection. So what we'll be doing today on this particular channel is this particular undo, this particular gathered undo. So this is what we'll be doing on this particular channel today. So I will be showing you how I make this particular gather and do, and you can do your own as well. So I just decided to show you the full bag. As you can see how beautiful it looks on the bag. So without no further ado, right now I will be showing you. But before I start that, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section below after you finish watching this what you think on this particular tutorial bag. If there is any question you have, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. Anything you think or any tutorial bag you want us to do or any channel you want us to collaborate, leave it in the comment section. If you do enjoy this, give it a giant thumbs up. As I say, share this video with people you know it might be of help to them on their channel or on their bag making journey. And I appreciate you guys for being here, for watching. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you at the other side as I proceed to show you how we make this. So stay tuned and watch this to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you at the other side. So welcome back guys. So as I've said earlier, this is what you are going to cut to make this particular handle we are doing. So basically the first one I cut with the Mako here, I cut 12 and a half. As you can see, this is 12 and a half. But why the fabrics I'll be using, I cut 21 and a half. As you can see, this is 21 and a half. So the piping we'll be using inside of it, the piping is 11 and a half. We'll reduce 1 inch from it. So this particular side, normally I normally cut 4, but this time around I cut 3 because we don't want it to extend to the end of the fabric. So right now the first thing you want to do is you place this at the center. You measure half inch this way, you measure half inch this way, you place this at the center and you gum it down. You wrap it with the gum. So I will be showing you the process. So, and then again, this particular hand, you are going to sew it together this way so that you can put this inside and sag the hand the way it's, and or let me say, should I, and gather the fabrics the way you have seen it on the bag I showed you earlier. So let's proceed to making it, and I will show you the process of making it. Guys, the next thing to be done is you apply gum to you. As you can see, this is our one half inch where we didn't apply the gum. You apply gum to the other side, which is also you remove 1 inch on the pipe as well. As you can see, we've applied gum to the pipe. So, and I've leave it to at least air a little bit so that I can place it on this particular. So the fabrics we cut down, actually we fold it together, and so as you can see the edge, you hide the rough side inside. So you sew this down. So after we gum this particular one, now we'll be fixing it inside that place. So I will show you the process of doing it. Stay tuned to watch it. So as you can see, this is the material down. So, and this is our piping. So you start placing it from here, and you should make sure it's at the center, just like this. You put it at the center. You make sure not to do mistake. You make sure it's at the center. At the end of the day, you will discover that sometimes it will be longer than what you expect, what you cut. So like the way it happens here is a little bit long, so we will reduce this down. That's the reason why we have all our accessories on ground, so that if any mistake come up, we can rectify it and sort it out. So as you can see, it's now intact. So you do this way, you fold it, you do it the right way. So just like the way I did it now, you make sure all the mouths are joined and everything is well fixed down. You balance it well. So after you finish it, it will be something like this. So you cut this place a little bit so that you can start fixing this inside the fabric. So you take the end of the fabrics, you put this to enter just like this. then you start putting it inside. If it's not going well, you balance it, you rebalance it, and you continue the process. I know it's not easy to do this, but you just have to do it because this is the main part of the handle you are trying to do, and this is the way you can do it. So after I finish putting it, I'll start showing you, I'll show you how the outcome is. So guys, this is the outcome of the gather. As you can see how nice it is. So one thing you should note here is if you want to cut your fabric, you can cut your fabric. It should be more wider than this, not longer, wider, so that when you gather it, to be easy for you. Because this one I make it to be tight, but I love it the way it's looking. This is how I want it to be. But if you want it to be a little bit, the gather should be bigger. It should be, the material should be wider. The fabric should be wider than the marco and the piping itself. But this is how I want it to be. So right now, actually I've applied gum down to this particular place. As you can see, the gum is shining. So, and I want this place I sewed to be at the front so that it will show the gather very well, the design I really want to display on the back. So I will fix this inside here. I will fix this actually as well, and I know where my pipe has stopped. As you can see, the pipe is inside. That is it there. That is why we leave the pipe here. So when you fix this like this, it's now something like this, the way we want it to be. So you use this particular one to cut this way. It's better you do this before you fix it here. It's much better for you to do. So after you do this, you apply gum to it, and so afterward it will look something like this. As you can see, when you spread out this to gum down, so you apply gum to it. That's the next thing I'll be doing now. I will apply gum to this part. So once I apply gum to it, I'll be gumming it down. So stay tuned to also see that. You have to apply gum to it twice, because after you finish gumming it down, you have to gum the marco down before. You know, we didn't gum the marco down with the fabrics, we just put that down. So you leave it to dry a little bit. Once you leave it to dry a little bit, just like the way I've applied gum to it now, when you gum down the fabrics, then you apply a little bit of gum to the marco as well, then you gum it down to the fabric, so that will give you reinforcement that the bag will not, the handle will not pull from the bag at any time. So that's how to do it. So after I finish, I'll still show you. Stay tuned to watch that. So guys, as you can see, I've glued down the marco as well, so everything is intact now. I've also rebuilt it down. So this is how it's looking. So this video, what we try to do in this video, we dedicate this handle to this particular video, but I will show you the rest and completion of the bag. So right now I will be applying gum to this side, then gumming down the vivet lining. So after that, I'll be sewing this to the back of the bag. So after that, I will assemble it with the rest of the bag, and I will show you how the bag is looking. But by the way, you have seen the bag in the beginning of the video, but I'll still try to show you how the bag is looking. So stay tuned to watch it. So I've not said this. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment section down below. Share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. And thank you guys for watching. For the OG, for new subscriber, we really appreciate all of you. Thank you guys, and I will see you at the other side as I proceed to the rest of the video. So guys, here we have the finished bag. As you can see the gather hand, how beautiful it is. So as I said, if you want to make your own bigger, if you make it a little bit wider, the gather will be much more attractive than this, but this is how I want mine to be. So as you can see, I fixed the magnetic snap. You can open your bag and see the inside red vivet. You can also cover it back. So I will show you all the side of the bag. As you can see, this is the side, the back, the bottom, and the other side as well. So thank you guys for watching. Actually, I just decided to show you the rest of the bag, but we dedicate this video to the hand, how to make a gather hand of this Ankara mini bag. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section below what you think on this particular bag we are making, and stay tuned for interesting and lovely tutorial to come on this channel. Happy New Year to you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.